Okay, so the congruent and similar solids. Solids is a fancy way of saying three-dimensional figures. Um, so we've already done similarity in area with two-dimensional figures. Now we're just going to step it up for three-dimensional figures. So, and you remember that congruent means equal, kind of. They're the same size and same shape, and similar, you might remember, um, means they're proportional, that they're the same shape but they're two different sizes. So in our investigation we did this in Pear Deck at the beginning of class, but just so you can have it written down, we figured out that the example 1 was congruent. Example 2 was neither. Example 3 was similar. And then you might remember that congruent means same shape, same size. Everything's the exact same. All the dimensions are the exact same. Whereas similar means same shape, different size. The proportional size, all the ratios of the matchy-matchy sides reduced to the same fraction. The word for that is proportional. The ratios all equal. Okay, we said yes, congruent solids are always similar at a 1-to-1 ratio. And when are spheres congruent? When their radii are congruent. And then in every other situation, whoa,